Okay.
This is the gas. Now it's stopped. You see here, you can see a choke, and this is high gas. Always when you start it, you should push it all the way down and shock. And after maybe a few seconds, you can reduce a little bit like that. After a little bit more, up. Here. Now it is in first gear. I normally when I drive, but not very close to these bushes, I normally have it in 1, if not in 2. 3 is really very quick, quite quick, but you can find out
1
yourself.
is slow.
1 is very slow.
Okay, so maybe I take 1.
Yeah, not all. You cannot never get finished. But only when you're close to these bushes and shit.
And then.
So, and when it's a little, I normally let it run for 5 minutes on slow speed. Then you have full speed. Not there, but there.
That's the spot.
That is a shock only for starting. High. And then you press down this, and push it not slow but quick forward. Then it activates the rotor under the knives. And then when you want to go, press this one. And don't do like this. Do like this. Yeah. If not, you can. It's not good for the coupling. Yeah, like this.
Okay.
If this is like this, then it will not run forward. So you have to press down this, like that. Just keep your hand here, left hand here, and then you, yeah. And when you want to stop it, just do like this, forward again. Just keep this all the time. So now we'll see if we get it started. Full shock down to this yellow. This is full. Let's do like this. It's important. This is very important. It fits here.